हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू वाइजर लैब यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको कस्टमर कॉर्नर हाउ हिबोप सरपास्ड यूज़र इंगेजमेंट गोल्स इन कैरी ऑन बिफोर लॉन्च के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। शीला लाहौर ऑन थर्सडे February 27, 2024। रीडिंग टाइम 8 minutes। Bringing on competitive intelligence. Software is transformational for your compete program. When done right, done right. Caveat Bollis. Down to setting your teams up for success. Chances are your colleagues are using several software platforms to do their jobs each and every day. So how do you quickly achieve strong adoption for new CI software tools? I recently sat down with Tali Sorokar, marketing intelligence manager at HiBook, to chat about how they got carry on implemented in record time and users on the platform before day one. Question: you just got the keys to your shiny new CI platform. What is your first priority for the project? Content migration was a big one, of course. Of course, one of our prioritizes was not only to get the content into carry on but the completely rethink or formatting to ensure it is more easily digestible for our teams. Presentation is huge and it's crucial to make a strong first impression. Basically, I know that from the first time I sent or reps to the platform, they had to see the value straight away. And WANT to come back more for more. Otherwise, I will be fighting a losing battle. At the same time, communicating early and often is critical. Wanted to create a lot of awareness along among the sales team that carry on was coming and how it would help better enable them on competitive deals. To that and I started to meet with our sales enablement team to get their opinions and feedback on our new templates and with sales leadership to get their buy-in and connect with my future platform champions. Questions: how did you initially generate interest and excitement among teammates? The first hurdle that we had to overcome was piquing the interest of our sales leadership without having any concrete assist or materials to show them yet remember. This was early days, so we had only just begun to work on the for reformatting of our exciting content to get them interested and create option action items from the sales calls. I look the opportunity to lay out my plans for a beta launch and asked them each to nominate a few of their reps to participate. We made sure to communicate the limited time commitment and worked together to figure and out best timing. Basically, we avoided scheduling or beta launch training for the end of the fiscal quarter. For that season, we made sure to have new content for all early adopters to get a good sense of what they can expect moving forward and provide us with feedback on the formatting and more. This created exclusivity, letting garden people in the door before everyone else, and also gave us the opportunity to let our reps be heard and make improvements before the official launch. Aside from getting buy in from sales in really wanted to take the opportunity to engage new departments and expand our reach and impact cross the company. We have a really active competitive channel on Slack, and so I made sure to spot post to chat to that channel about the upcoming launch with an open invitation to join. The beta FOMO can be powerful. Those early hand risers were really enthusiastic and they instantly become advocates for carry on. Question: another way you achieved carry on curiosity was to launch some most needed CI collateral right away. What did you launch? Identity definitely. So we had 15 exciting battle cards that all had to be updated, reformatted and migrated to carry on for the beta launch. We plan to complete our top 3 competitors to have note there, but that still left a big gap between that data the beta users and the company-wide launch in September. Early wins are a catalyst for change management. To further capitalize on the coming platform update, we also introduced a beautiful new newsletter designed by our creative services team that we send out to the entire company once a month to show that the proof is in the pudding and generate even more views around the launch. Is I shared the battle card for our top competitor with viewing permissions for non-users. Again, we still not quit to the official launch yet. There is still about 2 weeks to go. In the end, we actually had 93 unique visitors in the month before we even launched the platform. I know our sales team will be eager to check out Carry On once this his demand battle card was published. I didn't quite expect the association that we saw from the rest of the company. We had 140 users sign up to the platform dot Okta before we even sent out the official launch announcement with instructions for how to do that. People just saw it there after hearing so how much about it and immediately signed up. In the first 3 months, we reached 212 unique visitors with our battle cards, which is double our previous audience, which was from the sales department only. Question: it sounds like everything leading up to your launch date recording that created a lot of noise around the new platform. How do you make sure that users don't dip after all that? To keep engagement up following the launch of the platform, I focused on 2 areas. The first was creating a training resources that is easy to find and accessible to everyone in the company interested in learning more. At HiBob, we have an internal learning management system to keep the momentum going. After a launch carry on, I created a short course that covered why we use carry on and the value of insights, where to find bottle cards and how to use them, and how to send us intel from the field. I can't emphasize not how effective it is, how to have that audio video is our internal learning system rather than scheduling lab training session and them telling new employees or anyone that wants to free to join to watch a recording of that or call. People love that sessions and are able to share it with their colleagues super easily. The other way that I constantly draw attention back to the back is by using it is in just about all of my enablement sessions for your. So for example, when we have an enablement session about our competitor in X region, I walk through the materials and carry on and always add a recommender that they can come back to all bottlenecks and at easy time to refresh their memory or drive deeper. Not only use is it introduced the overhead of needing to create a presentation for these training sessions, and the carry on platform has great UI per UX, so really you need for that. It also is a constant motivation and remember for people to revisit carry on their one question. Anything else you would recommend to your help companies get a quick start with CI software? I think that in launching a new CI platform can be such as a powerful initiative for your standing in the company, and there are endless possibilities for how to approach it, taking into consideration the needs and current state of CI in your organization. My device is to create a reasonable scope for what you can accomplish in the period leading up to the launch, but don't shy away from having conversations with anyone and anyone to collect more ideas to expand in the future. For today, just get started and set yourself up as a beacon for CI. The rest will follow. Interested in learning how other companies increase competitive intelligence adoption within their organizations? Check out a few additional carry-on customer corner interviews. How create connect-wise increased global bottle card adoption by centralizing CI. How carry-on onboarding empowered MAQ to achieve 70% bottle card adoption. Sheila Lahar. Sheila Lahar is the VP of Content Marketing here at Carrion Possible, responsible for making sure that everything we publish is unique, compelling, and valuable. Prior to joining Carrion, she built successful content marketing programs at a number of B2B SaaS companies including Flatfile, Datto and Eloqua. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने में मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।